how to turn your balcony into a greenhouse by me using see-through shower curtains and interlocking the joints like that to make my balcony windproof or stopping the wind and warming up after pin the top. I'm gonna pin that up as far as possible out there and seal the air out to warm up the temperature like that over there. See-through shower curtains. So that's right there. And the bottom folding it in to create a pocket, and I put stones from the river on it. Yeah, it's gonna be finished by Sunday. So now I got all these. That's bok chow. I do microgreen farming, grow my own vegetables. This is all sweet basil, sweet basil, holy basil, lettuce, cherry tree, more bok chow. As they grow up 2-3 weeks, I clip them off, make salad, and the process starts again. So I'm gonna expand that. All these I'm gonna fill with dirt. Not all of them, but quite a few of them. Right here. That means fill it right up. I can plant things that need to have deep soil. And now over to the garden here. My clothesline at the same time. And then my marijuana plant here. It's all tomatoes, herb tree down there. It's like a mint. I have to research peppers, quite a few pepper trees, about 4 pepper trees. No, and I plant some more is growing. 3 marijuana plant from 12, from 13. Yeah, this one is maturing up very nice. Like some white stuff is coming on it, like I don't know if it's crystal or what. See, temperature is up, so I have to changing out the bottom ones to some clearer ones to let in more light and seal up all anywhere where wind is gonna come in. So I'm gonna get something and that ready for the winter. Have that all the way up there. Gonna get that concrete kind of putty thing and put some hooks up there and seal it with that concrete thing in that groove there When it dries, it holds it in, and then just clip it up. And then it will be good. Oh, holy amen. The highly about the wisdom. So we do a thing, no? Transformation, renovation. Scientists at work. Brilliant mind at work. Entrepreneur. Go getter.